track a lot of things. There's some really incredibly interesting technology now that when you break buds and the plants start to grow, it used to be that we would start our spray program at a certain stage of growth, say 4 to 6 inches. We'd initiate the spray program and then we're on a kind of a schedule. We're using some really interesting new technology that is got spore traps out in the vineyards, and these spore traps sample the air. So if you can picture a little spinning thing that has 2 little stainless steel rods that have gooey stuff on them, and they're spinning in the air column. So anything that is going by, certain things are going to hit those rods and stick. Twice a week, we pull those rods, they do a PCR analysis on the rods, and they can tell us when the spores of mildew are starting to flow through the air column. That has been the trigger of our spray program, initiates our spray program. And this technology now has allowed us to delay our sprays 2 sprays. And sometimes on my place, I've been delaying 3 times, 3 sprays. So instead of starting in the beginning of May at 4 inches of growth or whatever, we're waiting and waiting and waiting until we know that we have pressure, and then boom, we start in on it. And that's super significant. We have calculated in the valley that maybe you count up all the people spraying, it's probably $1 million a spray in the valley. And if we take 2 of those out in the front end, it's an enormous savings of fuel, people's time, spray materials, environmental impact. Also, the early sprays are sort of when you don't want to be out on the ground because the ground is really saturated with moisture, and so you're causing compaction and you're having an impact out there that if you can delay that, it's a good thing.